Okay, we are here. Say hi. We're extreme bowling at, where are we at?
AMF.
AMF. Hold on. I'm going to show. We're extreme bowling at AMF. And Drew's going to take my video. Ready?
Pink one.
I've already broken 2 fingernails. Okay, we're checking in, and as you can see, I'm winning. Now, go Drew. But he keeps throwing strikes. And it's because he's got fancy shoes on. His shoes are like mine. He bought his own shoes. He tried to tell me he wasn't a bowling shark, but he has his own shoes. And there's only like 2 people in here with their own shoes, and they are killing it. Alright, we'll check back in later and let you know when he beats me. And here we are at the end, and if you can see the score, Drew, Mr. Strikey Strikerton, he's going to keep going with his fancy shoes because, do it again? Yeah, exactly. Because
it's not over.
Because he's a striker. I'm entertaining people. These are people. This is extreme bowling. Look at that. Yeah, he got a strike. That person got a strike. These guys over here are awesome. Here we are. And as you can see, this is our last game. Drew's beat me on every game. But this game, I'm winning.
Whatever.
It's been whatever. Watch Drew. He's going to get a gutter ball. I shouldn't have recorded because... Look at how full it is in here.
You can't see how many people are here in that video.
That was my finger. Nobody's at the snack bar. Alright, here he goes. I'm gonna win this shit. Everybody take note at the score. Here it is. I kind of choked. I didn't do so well, so Drew's just got to knock down 5 pins. Here we go. And he just beat me. Alright, well, this is the end of this video. Peace, y'all. Please subscribe.